Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be tackling the flamingo pink dappled willow hedge, and we're going to trim it. This is the time that we've got to do it, so let's get to it. Here's a before shot of the hedge. Here my husband and I are discussing the height of the hedge, and I kind of want to keep it around 4 foot tall so I can see over it from the house. Well, I had to give it a try. It has got a lot heavier than I thought it would be, but I gave it a good try, and I got down just a little ways, and then my arms gave up. Now onto the top side. Jeff's got it going good, and then I've come in with the pruners, and I'm just pruning out the straggly bits that, you know, you can't really get with the pruners. They just sort of slip under and slip to the side, so I'm picking them off and smartening it up a bit. Now time to clean up. I'm just raking them all into a big pile, and I'll put them into the wagon and we'll take it to the compost area. here's the finished product. I think it looks pretty good. Every year it gets thicker and thicker, which I'm happy about. And I love a good hedge. Give a little formality. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Your little snob, Daisy. Daisy! Well, that's how we trim our hedge. It may not be correct, but this is the way we do it, and it's worked for us so far, and it's really thickened up the plant. These all started from cuttings, about 7 years ago. It's because there's a drainage ditch along here, and so we thought if we put this here, it'll dry up the land a bit and prevent anybody from hurting themselves walking across and not seeing the ditch. This will prevent them, and it'll help the dogs and the deer and people. Anyways, thanks for following. Hope you have a nice day. Bye.